Oh, horned lizard. We all know about them. We eat. Well, anyways, you have at least not seen one, right? Well, the Wikipedia will tell you it all. Horned lizard, kingdom Animalia, class Reptilia, symbol iguana. Well, horned lizards use areas avoid predation. Yeah. Just skip all this part. Except the popular. Wait, no. I don't want to talk about that. Okay. The species and subspecies have the giant horned lizard or Trypanosophila astro. Yeah, that just doesn't sound right. In southern Mexico or where La Cucurata lives. Right. Yeah, we have the San Diego. What the fuck are these names for these horned guys? Like, what the fuck are these names? Texas horned lizards. I think you already know where they live. Coast horned lizard. Again, you probably know where they live. Primarily northwest. And then we just got these guys. Symbol. These goddamn names are so weird that these goddamn scientific names are so weird and so hard to pronounce that it's making me have a stroke. Oh my god. Horntoad. That's very disturbing. I don't like that. And there's the external links. And the Wikipedia.